On this most pleasantly clear evening, conditions absolutely beautiful, perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well, no doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. It does seem to be a 4-3-3, Jim.
Yes, and the importance of this formation is not to allow the midfield three and the attacking three to become too detached from one another. If that happens, then pressure can quickly be applied via the counter-attack, and you can be exposed defensively. So compactness can't be compromised, and you need talkers in this team. You need leaders and people that are willing to organise things very quickly.
Well, we're on the way. He came in hard, very hard. Done it delicately. And it's been taken straight back. Played out wide into space. Spread out to the left. And that's been levered clear. Tries a shot! Now, who's going to be first to this? He'll try to keep this alive. Gone behind for a goal kick. Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
And it's played forward. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Strong running down that left flank. Danger averted for now. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. Back they go. Still goalless. Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
That's been drilled forward. That's been cut out, well played. Well, the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Move forward and quickly so. Oh, that's well spotted. Gets his pass away. Oh, well weighted. He's got away. Delivers across.
What a letdown when you've got such presence and movement.
Referee's given a throw. That's been intercepted. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Well, it's not a surprise to see that these days, all part of a forward's duties.
And that'll go straight through to the keeper. That's the through ball. Has a goal! Oh, it's come loose. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments. It ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. A solitary goal, that has been the crucial difference. And that has left him in a heap. Physical challenge.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Stands up to it well and emerges with the ball. That's a decent ball. Almost ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Nicely intercepted. Played out towards the right wing. Back into the middle. Defending of the desperate variety. Now then, the ball's come loose. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it. It's a good foot in there. Shifted upfield. Hoisted upfield by the keeper. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Up towards the front line. Oh, Red, nice interception. Some resolute defending there. Looking for the runner. Good ball. He is through here. No way through, so back it comes. delivers, chance and a header! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Forwards and with intent. It's a good ball and it could be in. It's a promising position.
A heavy challenge. Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
He's left his man.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Long ball out to the right. There's a stern challenge, he will go no further. Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
The ball is loose and the chase is on.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
And the shot! And that could come back to haunt them.
That was extremely good focus from the keeper, and it could turn out to be quite a significant moment.
And he's gone backward here. Big chance! Oh, denied! Brilliantly!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Gets up to head it! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing. Tries to dink it in. That's the throw.
They're avoiding the blatantly obvious by not getting the ball into the opposition box. That's where it has to be.
He's played him through, and the finish! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.